Okay, just to clear this up, uh, Waldorf Plumbing and Heating is coming tomorrow morning. It's about 6 o'clock, I believe, in the evening now, a little after. And it's not that I don't trust these people, because I have a lot of confidence in them. There was another company that was supposed to come in and replace our water lines due to the problem here in Flint. And when I say the problem here in Flint, it's the problem with lead in the water. And so they're taking all the required measures to eliminate the problem. And so before they get started, I'm just taking a quick video of the basement, just to keep everything on the uppity up, and just hopefully there's not going to be a problem. Here is where the water line comes in. And I believe what they're going to do is be coming right straight through this wall. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. And these lines here, well, from the meter you see there, heading down and out of the building, are the lines are galvanized. That's what they say, they're galvanized steel. And that has to all be corrected. We're going to replace it, I believe, with copper. So there's the other company that, there's two other companies that are replacing all the water lines in Flint, I understand. And there's one that came here, and I didn't have too much confidence in them after the first appointment they made. They were supposed to be here at 7 a.m. and on the morning, and so I was up and made a pot of coffee and all that, and 7:30 rolled around, no one. 8 o'clock, no one. About 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I called Flint Fast Start to ask them what happened. Well, they didn't know anything about it because they had contracted to work with this construction company to do our water lines. And the gentleman told me that I spoke with on the phone that he would call and find out what the problem is. Well, anyways, I just got cold feet on dealing with them, and so I called Flint Fast Start back up and told them I didn't want that first company doing the repair work, the water line replacement. So anyway, they elected to have Waldorf come out and do it. We've had Waldorf Plumbing and Heating do our water lines at other homes that we own. So they're going to be doing this one too, and two other homes, buildings we have that are right close here. Okay, I guess that takes care of it, and call it good for now. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.